Dr. Amanwar, Director of Health Service, Nek Arpo Arthric Unailar Arja, Arpo, Lapinte Bakajala Meglaya, Tamantakasni, Gadan Kandai Pulang or Kibiotamayo COVID-19, but away black clad no. Dr. War Ulaitu Banakini Kandai Pulang or Kibiothamai, and Repundre Kidena East Khasi District, Hakaba Arpoing or Kidena Armed Force, but paramilitary force. She ponged Jingshim Nongmuna Paidbah Hakle Yo. Kendaingut na kanigi Jingshim Nongmuna Hamot Pran, Kendaingut na Jingshim Nongmuna Anjali, Iwe na Jingshim Nongmuna Paidbah ha Police Bazaar Kendai Lat, Langut Kiboan Pai na Jylla, Armut Kide Kibesrium Kum Kajing Pangshit, Iwe Ide Nongpang Hanazaret Hospital, Prangut Kibadan Kajiakandu, Bar Kibayo COVID-19, Bar Iwe Ibatre ha COVID counter Apollo. Kikandaingut na West Garo Hills District, Kide Saungut na Armed Force but paramilitary force, Langut na Jingshim Nongmuna na Pangi Paidbah ha Pulbari, but Arngut Kiboan Pai na Jylla. Kishipongut Kibayo COVID-19 na West RiKhasi Hills District, Kide na Jingshim Nongmuna na Pangi Paidbah ha Shalang, Arngut Hariboy District, Kiboan Pai na Jylla, Arngut ha North Garo Hills District, Kibe Sriam Kum Kajing Pangshit, but Saungut na West Giant Hills District, Kibakantubi Arngut Kibe Kandu Kibapang COVID-19, but Arngut Kide Kiboan Pai na Jylla.
Today 93, East RiKhasi Hills 66, 21 are from the category of armed forces, paramilitary forces, 10 random sampling Kiew, 9 random sampling Motfran, 9 random sampling Anjali, 1 random sampling Police Bazaar, 3 are returnees, 2 are high-risk contacts of a particular case, 2 are influenza-like illnesses we have reported to the hospitals, 1 is a patient at Nazareth Hospital, 1 is a high-risk contact of another positive case, 4 are contacts of other positive cases, then 2 another contact of a particular case, and 1 works at Pulo Collection Center COVID-19. West Garo Hills, 4 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces categories, 3 full body random testing, 2 are returnees, Ridhoi 2 returnees, West RiKhasi Hills 10 Shalang random testing, North Garo Hills 2 who reported as ILI case, that means influenza-like illnesses, West Giant Hills 4, 2 are returnees, 2 are high-risk contacts of 1 positive case.